In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin elements to the screen using the Wix Editor. This can be a game changer for creating dynamic and interactive websites where you want certain elements to stay in place as the user navigates your page. So let's jump right in and look at how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to select the element you want to pin. This might be anything from a button to an icon or any other element you've added to your page. Simply click on the element and you'll see it become highlighted, indicating that it's ready for the next steps. Now with the element selected, perform a right click on it. This action is going to open up a context menu, a handy dropdown with various options tailored for the selected element. Within this menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Pin to Screen. Go ahead and click on Pin to Screen. This selection is what will allow your element to stay fixed in a position of your choice on your web page, even as users scroll up and down. After choosing to pin it to the screen, a window will appear, offering you a set of grids or position presets. These will typically show positions like top left, bottom right, and a few others. You'll want to choose the position that best suits how you want your element to appear on the screen. Each position on the grid is indicative of where your pinned element will be fixed, ensuring it remains visible and accessible from the most strategic part of the screen. Once you've picked the position that looks just right, it's time to move on to adjusting the offset. Sliding bars will be available to let you fine-tune exactly where this element will be pinned. Not only can you slide these bars left or right, but if you have a specific number in mind, you can also enter pixel values directly into the accompanying boxes. This offers a great level of precision, making sure your element is exactly where you want it to be. Finally, when you're satisfied with both the position and the offset of your pinned element, simply close the window. You can do this easily by clicking anywhere outside the pop-up. And just like that, your element is now pinned. It will maintain its fixed position as users scroll through your site, creating a consistent and reliable user experience. So there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully pinned an element to the screen using the Wix Editor, enhancing the interactivity and usability of your website. Thanks for watching and happy editing.